What's up, players and playettes? This is Rick Hustle. Got a 1971 Chevy Caprice Classic, 4-door, hardtop. It's got a 400 cubic inch engine in it, rolled manual windows, Landau top. Very nice condition. As you can see, 400 label logo right there for the cubic inch engine. The chrome in this entire car is absolutely impeccable. All the chrome inserts, the housings, nothing has pitting on it all the way around the entire car. I'm literally just taking dust off of it all. All the bezels around, all the light fixtures are perfect. So bringing you to the inside, the seats have been recovered. The door right here, this armrest needs reupholstered, but that's pretty much all on this car you really need to do upholstery wise. Both front and back seats have been redone. See the back seat there? And the door panels look great. I'll take you to the passenger side. Before we go, I'll show you the trunk. Now this guy's got a bunch of different stuff in here that goes along with the car, including the original factory radio, brand new belts that have never been used, spark plug that's never been used, and also a distributor and a Fram oil filter. This car's got real solid floors in it. Has surface rust, but there's no cancer in it. As you can see here underneath, look at this. That's solid. There's no rust on here. If you look on here, around the weather channels, you also notice there's no rust in the top. No rust. That's what a lot of people look for in these cars. Now you do have on this very minor bubble right here. If you can see that. Have a gouge in the lower trim right here. There's a gouge. Somebody must have hit a parking curb or something. But other than that, this car is as straight as an arrow. I don't even think there's any Bondo in this car at all. Passenger side, I'll show you the interior of the passenger side, front and back. All right, so you're hearing my voice like this now because the microphone went out. Got to get a new mic. Anyways, top, 2 years old on this top. The Landau top on this Caprice Classic. It's a 4-door, of course. Very, very straight car. If you guys like this car, give me a call. My number is 954-394-6581. If you don't know me, my name is Rick. It's Real Deal Motors. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I have Caprices, a ton of them coming every single month. You guys want to go ahead and purchase the car, call me today. I also ship, and I pick people up from the international airport. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day.